to my video. Sorry I haven't posted like full videos in a long time. I've been focusing like I got exams, so I only have time to post shorts and everything. As you can see, I'm OP and I bought training weights, so like it's different from last time. I bought training weights to increase my training, and I Zenkai'd. I'm at Zenkai 6, I need to Zenkai 27. My next phone to unlock is, I don't know, let me know in the comments godly pressure. And guys, let me know in the comments how strong godly pressure is. Anyway, today we're gonna be killing all the NPCs on the island. We have to kill a minimum of 50 NPCs. So guys, me hit counts. Alright guys, ready, set. The same form, but I love this transformation. Like, I really love it. It's one of my favorites. Ooh, look at that. Oof. Limit breaker's cold. Alright, guys, let's do this. One shot. 1, 2, 8, 2, 3. Come on, guys, let's do more. 4, 5, 6. Come on, guys, come on. Guys, if you want to add me Roblox, it's my user is T.32. 7, I think 7. 8. Ooh, this one's that one's fast. No, that was 8. 9. 9. Ooh. Okay, 10. 11. Actually, what? Actually, we're gonna do 50, alright? So 50. I was thinking of decreasing it, but that's not a challenge, is it? Let's do this. I'm not going to save the universe for nothing, you know. 11. 12. We gotta find the 13. It's like some guys are having a PvP. Come on. 14. Bro, that guy's really strong, bro. I think it's like Zenkai 25. 15. 15. 16. 17. Wow, what's up with my energy? Come on. We're up to 17, guys. Come on. We gotta hit 50. My power level is 1 billion. My strongest form is Ultra Instinct, and that power level is like 5-6 billion. 18. 19. Come on, that's what's more. 20. Come on, guys. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. Guys, after this, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys only 3 of my forms. If I want to show you guys all of my forms, if you want me to show you, if you want me to do a video of showing you, showing you all my forms and my stats and everything, and like, you know, please can you like help this video get to at least 100 views or like 500 views, you know, like get a lot of views. And please don't forget to subscribe, you know, because so I can review everything. But at the end of the video, I will show like I will show at least 3 of my forms. Right now, I'll use SSD for the whole thing, because, you know, if I try to change out, you guys are gonna see the forms, you know. Actually, I'm gonna show you the forms transformation. My favorite is actually the Super Saiyan God transformation, the one Goku uses, not Vegeta. And then it's Goku Super Saiyan Blue transformation in the Broly saga, when they like fought Broly. And SSJ Rage, I guess. I like Super Saiyan 3. It's cold. Oh, guys, you see that double kill, bro? Macro is actually good. Oh, damn, guys, I lost count. Oh, guys, can you please help me and count how many we're on? I'm gonna start from 20 again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Hydration is the best game developer. Like, he's so good, bro. Like, I love this game. 27, 28. 29, 30. Go on. 31, 31. Come on. We need to hit 50, guys. 50 kills. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36 kills, guys. We gotta hit 50. Then I'm gonna go to Goku Island, beat Goku. Then we can go to something. We can go to the new island or the arena. No, actually, when we kill Goku, we're gonna find some players to talk to. Then I might end the video. I'm at like 33, yeah. Like I'm already 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Come on. Ooh, it's day now. 39. 40. Come on, guys, we hit 40, we hit 40. 41. 42. Oh, 43. Hey guys, you remember the video when the shorts where I put on day one of killing NPCs to like get 400k, I mean 500k, I think like 400k is any, yeah? Actually, I'm gonna post videos, I'm gonna try and post videos of me killing NPCs, like, I'll try to, because I'm still kind of busy, but like, I will, just so you guys can enjoy my videos, I will try and post more, because, yeah, I will post more. That's 46, 47, 48, 49. Hey guys, for the final clue, which one should I pick here? I'm gonna pick one. After this, yeah, guys, let me know in the comments which one of my moves, which one of my energy, my energy is here, like the moves down here, is the strongest. It's a Big Bang attack, Supernova, Death Beam, Spirit Bomb, Death Dirty Fireworks, which is with Vegeta and like the first ever Dragon Ball, Super Kamehameha, Omega Cannon, or Rose Kamehameha. This guy, so let me know, in my opinion, yeah, if I want to kill this guy quickly and without no explosions, I would use Death Beam, but like, I'm not using Omega Cannon on this guy. Boom. And that's the 50 NPC kills. So guys, we're gonna be going to Goku and right now, yeah. Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna go Goku planets, yeah. Alright guys, we're almost, that's really Goku planet. I hope no one is killed Goku, because people really, a lot of players really want to get like Zenny, so oh my goodness, bro. Man, Goku being killed, but anyway, let's talk to this guy. Damn, 46 guy. Bro, I'm just 6 I ain't much for this guy. Let's talk to him, shall we? Yo, homie. Stop glitching, bro. Anyway, yo, homie. Monster, huh? I can tell you're a monster. Look how shredded this guy. Bro, why is the guys attacking me, bro? Damn, he. Okay, okay, guys, if he wants to fight, let's fight. Let's see who's stronger. Six Zenkai guy or 46 Zenkai? I'm gonna beat the hell out of this guy, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Cause guys, I'm gonna beat this guy, cause bro, I ain't doing no damage. I'm not even like a bit damage. Alright, Super Kamehameha should do the trick. I'm a cook, guys. Look at this, look at this. Not enough energy. Was using Super Saiyan 4? Man, this guy's mocking me. Don't think I'm weak, yeah? Watch it. It's the transmission. Super Kamehameha. Rose Kamehameha. I'm gonna bombard him. I'm gonna use all my attacks now. Big bang. Death beat. Bro! Supernova. Damn. Damn. This guy's gonna destroy me, bro. He's gonna kill me. Ah, too bad, bro. You missed. GG, bro. GG. GG. I ain't turning my PvP, bro. I think, guys, I think me and this guy are friends now, you know? Oh, yeah. Guys, look at this transformation. Look how epic this transformation is, bro. I got this transformation as well. So anyway, guys, I'm actually gonna wait till I kill Goku before I show you guys all my forms. Guys, let me know in the comments which part of Dragon Ball did Goku use SSJ4 Limit Breaker, cause oh, it looks like he wants to fight again, PvP. I mean, he's my smart. Come on, let's go. He doesn't know I got like UI, so I'm gonna surprise him. I'm gonna make him think SSJ4 is the only form I got, okay? You know, cause bro, oh, it's only PvP. Come on, let's go. Bro, he's using a low form on me, bro. Bro thinks I'm that weak. You're gonna regret that, buddy. Damn. Ooh, look at that moves. I'm like Mike Tyson. Like Goku Tyson. Like Guy Tyson, you know? That's what I did there, guys. I put like the G, Goku, it's a guy. Bro, I think this guy's gonna beat me again, bro. I'm just gonna charge him. Ooh, sorry, bro. Of course you're gonna dodge. Oh, Goku's here. Oh, lock on Goku. Bro, I need more energy. I need more energy, bro. Calm down. I think he knows I need to recharge my energy. He's a good guy, Yeah, let's Goku. Goku's easy to beat, guys. Guys, I just beat... Oh, this guy stole my Goku, bro. Well, alright, guys. I think this guy has to do. He's gonna be the replacement for Goku. We're gonna beat him, yeah? Guys, can you let me know down in the comments also, like best combos in Dragon Ball Rage, like strategies, how to fight like combos, you know? Like, I don't want to be using the same thing that Final. I want to use like good combos. What is that? Oh yeah, perfect slash. Bro, I really want that move, bro. Like, it sounds good. I think that guy's using it. I want him to show me directly that. Oh, why'd I click Spirit? Why'd I click Spirit Brombo? Yeah, like East to transmission. See you later, sucker. Ooh. I'm gonna just destroy everything I got, bro. Oof. And guys, if you wanna 1v1 me, add me on Roblox. Like I said, my name's TPAM32, and I'll try and add you back. I basically add everyone back at this point, like people. I'm gonna be showing you. I don't add like people randomly, you know. Anyway, guys, like I promised, I'm gonna show you 3 of my forms. Modes, yeah. I'm gonna show you Super Saiyan. Oh, see, accepted. So as you can see, guys, yeah, I like this one though. It's the one I posted with my shorts. So cold. Look at that aura. Damn. It's so cool, guys. Desire, Desiri. And this is the best one. This is the Goku one. Oh, look at this book. It's so cool. It's when we're fighting Broly. Imagine if I just added, bro. I'm not like demanding or anything. I'm thinking, yeah. Maybe if like, if I wish, like, no, not wish, like, I'm not being rude or anything. You did good, yeah. I'm just saying, I was just like trying like add like an animation where like Goku like rips his shirt off, you know. That'll be cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and try and share this video with your friends or anybody that likes Dragon Ball Rage. And if you wanna add me, please don't forget to add me. And yeah, and I'll see you later. I might post another video tomorrow on how to it's gonna be basically PvP only here. I'm gonna do and when I hit 50 subscribers, I'm gonna go live and play Dragon Ball Rage. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. See you later, guys.